Oh my goodness. Rich and smoky. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. Today we are getting ready to make navy beans and smoked neck bones. Guys, it's a special recipe. It's a family recipe that dates back almost probably 70 or more years. So stay with me and let's get busy. Okay guys, for the actual cooking of the beans, we will be using our Insta Pot today. But even though you do not have to soak your beans with the Insta Pot, I like to soak mine anyway. The reason I like to soak mine is because, and these have already been rinsed and sorted. So I'm just going to put them in my pot. But the reason I like to go ahead and soak them, although not necessary for Insta Pot, is because it keeps the skin on the beans without cracking. So honestly, you just have a better presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick soak on these beans. That means I am putting them in water. I'm going to bring them to a boil, cut them off, and let them sit for probably about 30 minutes. Typically, if I was cooking them on the stove, I would let them sit for about an hour. But since we're doing it in the Insta Pot, then we don't need to do that. So let me bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see the neck bones and what I'm doing. Now guys, as I mentioned, I have smoked neck bones. These are nice meaty neck bones, and I'm just going to put them in here, fill this pot up with water, and we are going to start to cook these separately from the beans. But now they need to be smoked neck bones, and there's a reason why, and we will get to that just a little bit later. So we just want to pour water over them, and I'm wasting it everywhere, but we want to just pour water over them. Bring those up to a boil as well. Then turn them down and let them simmer. Now our neck bones will cook while the beans are soaking because we're going to need them. And we'll get to that. I'm going to cut up an onion, get our seasonings ready, and bring out my Insta Pot, and we'll be back. Okay, these are our neck bones, and they have been simmering for probably about an hour and a half now. And so what we're going to do is we need 6 cups of water for our Insta Pot navy beans, and this is the 6 cups of liquid we're going to use. I'm going to pour off 6 cups of this liquid, skim the film off of the top, and that's what we're going to use. It's going to give our beans that real good smoky flavor, guys. It is absolutely amazing, plus a few more other seasonings. So I'll meet you over there at my Insta Pot. Okay, so now it's time to actually get our beans cooking. We're going to just pour our beans on in here. Adding all the ingredients to the Insta Pot. The next thing I'm going to do is go in. This is a whole large onion chopped up. The onion does not need to necessarily be uniform in your chops because it's going to cook down very well in the beans. Okay, and I've got a tablespoon of chili powder. Okay. All right, guys, and in goes the magic. This is the broth from the neck bones. I actually have about 8 cups in here. We only need about 6. And it's okay if little pieces of neck bone end up in there. That's just fine. Okay, that should do it. Just want to make sure they're good and covered. Okay, guys, we're going to give this a stir. Then we're going to turn our Insta Pot on manual, and we're going to set it for 40 minutes, and then our beans will be done, guys. Now you can easily do this on the stove. You'll just need to cook them for about 2.5 hours. Something like that, close to that. Okay, so guys, we're going to get these all cooked up. It is sealed. Okay, we're going to set this on manual. And it's Is it already on 40 minutes or 4 minutes there? That's 40. Okay, so we are all set and ready to go, guys. All right, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are all done. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how nice and creamy and rich these are looking. Yes. Okay, I am going to plate this up so we can do our taste test. And I'll be right back. Smells amazing. Okay, guys, we are all done. Have a look. Have a look. Have a look. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh, this is hot. It is hot. It is hot. Okay, guys, we're going to go in for a taste test. Yes. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? Oh my goodness. Rich and smoky from the smoked neck bones. Guys, it's got just about right amount of heat. And if you want to add a little more hot sauce to it, be my guest. But it is fine just the way it is. Guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my videos. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Delicious.